What's up, everybody? It's Wednesday, so we're going to show you what's in the shop, and this shop, and the other shop. So we'll start here in LATROBE. Right beside me, we've got a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. I love these cars. This one came in, it was black. They didn't want to look like every other S-Class in the world, so they changed it to a gloss bright red. We also added a pinstripe that they requested from us, and we're just about finished up with that right now. Jimmy's putting the final touches on and getting it cleaned up. And behind that, Caleb is working on ceramic coating the glass on a Grand Cherokee. He got the paint and the wheels done yesterday and got the polish done, of course. So that one will be ready to go home after today. Austin's working on a paint correction, a huge black Super Duty. And you're about done with that run, right? Yeah, so he's almost done with that paint correction. All right, and right behind me, Terrell is tinting some windows on a Trailblazer. It's also getting paint protection film at the same time. So we'll swing up around the front of the lift and show you what that looks like. So Aaron's finished with the hood, and he's working on the other panels. This one's getting the full front end package. You can see the edges of the hood are hanging out here drying, so we can wrap all of those. We even wrap these corners for as seamless of an installation as possible. Speaking of Aaron, that man over there, we just got back from the XPEL dealer conference in Texas this week, and so Aaron was in a competition, believe it or not, for paint protection film against people from all over the world. There were about 100 people from 16 different countries there, and Aaron placed fourth. So,
Flat Glass Man here. What's going on, guys? We're cutting some film for a house in Punxsutawney. They're getting Evening View 45. Once this film's installed, it'll give you some good daytime privacy, but also retain as much light as possible. It's a film that we don't use very often.
And right behind John is a Cadillac Ct6 V Black Wing. Before you tell me this didn't exist, it did. 2019, they made a black wing. We tinted the windows on it. We did paint protection film on the whole front end and the rocker panels, and it's next up for a paint correction and a ceramic coating. We're also going to tint those ugly orange marker lights so they blend in a little bit better with the car. Over here's a fun project we did for our friend Wayne. He races go-karts, and he wanted us to letter up his go-kart. So he had these graphics custom printed. They look really good, and we slapped those on for him, so he's ready for this year's race season. All right, so we're outside now, and you can tell spring is coming, even though it doesn't feel like it today. We're starting to get busier and busier. Our tint schedule's about a week out now at both locations, so PPF's getting really busy too. We've got a vinyl wrap on a hood for a Challenger on that white one there, and this blue Challenger just got the windows tinted this morning. Right beside that Challenger, you're going to see our new flat glass van, or commercial and residential tinting setup. The van is the same van, but we did get it vinyl wrapped. Our friends over at Blue Sky in Greensburg took care of that for us. It looks awesome. Speaking of wraps, our trailer. So many of you don't know that we have an enclosed trailer. We haul cars around. We'll pick your car up, especially this time of year. A lot of people with their Porsches and Ferraris and things like that want them picked up so that we can work on them during the off-season when they're not driving it. That's what that trailer's for. We got that one wrapped. You see Dr. M3's Aventador on the side of it. We also were at the Pittsburgh Auto Show last week. We had an awesome display of cars there, and this trailer was the backdrop for that. Those were our friends at Ross Wraps in Latrobe. They helped us install it, and they printed it. They've got an awesome printer, really vibrant colors. And over here, we've got Mr. Auto Vlog's C63. So this car is getting a color change, but we're not going to tell you what color yet. So wait and see. Check out his videos. Check out Auto Vlog's channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And this Ram right here got the windows tinted. And the other Ram had some paint protection film that wasn't quite right in the one corner. So we always warranty everything that we do. If you're not happy with something, bring it back. We'll take care of it for you. And this is a cool car. So the first one that we've seen in person, this is the brand new Golf R. Forget what this color's called, but it's the same color that Patrick had. These cars are super cool, super fast. They're kind of sleepers, especially if you tune them a little bit, but this is the new body style. We're doing a full paint protection film wrap on this, so every painted surface that you see will be protected. For those of you that are off-road fans, Caleb has an FJ, and he actually uses it like it's supposed to be. I love it. It's covered in mud. All right, so Luke's going to show you what's going on in Gibsonia. I got to go catch a flight, and then I'm going to show you what's happening in Miami today.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so it's time to check out what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. Behind me is a 2019 Honda Accord getting a full tint job. This is getting the XPEL Prime CS 5% on all the side windows and the back window. Back in the work area, we have a 2021 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD. This is getting some paint protection film on the rocker panels, especially over here on the dually fenders that stick out. Rocks just hammered that, so it's going to be covered in paint protection film. Also behind the back wheel in the lower part of the doors. Additionally, the full front clip is done. That includes the front bumper, both upper and lower bumper, full hood, and two front fenders. It's also getting an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on all the paint, on the paint protection film, plastic, glass, wheels, chrome, the whole vehicle. And over here is a very clean 2006 Lexus Is-250. Last week it got window tint on all the side windows and the back window. This week it got paint protection film on the full front clip, hood, fenders, mirrors, front bumper, and then a whole Fusion Plus ceramic coating on top of the paint protection film, paint, plastic, and the wheels. You guys saw this Porsche on the What's in the Shop video last week. Just to give you an update on it, we did take off all the paint protection film. It was on the front bumper, hood, fenders, the mirrors, A-pillars and roof, along with the rocker panels. That old film's all taken off. This week we're gonna do a full wrap and paint protection film. That way the entire vehicle's protected, not just select areas on the front. That's all for what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's up, guys? We are back here in Blackout, Miami for What's in the Shop Wednesday. It hasn't changed much since the last time that we were here. Behind me, the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. We've got the scissor lift that Sunbelt's been trying to pick up for a long time. They left it here for like 5 days and we had to leave, so we're stuck with that for a little while. And we've got the Hellcat Red Eye. That's of course my car. But we have some stuff lined up for the next coming week. Really cool things happening with this floor. Wait till you see what we do here. We've got the plotter table done. For those of you that haven't seen the shop yet, we've got all of our tint and paint protection and inventory. We've got some tools set up. We're gonna get this place cleaned up. We had to leave in a hurry last time. We worked right up to the last minute. We've got some cabinets going down over there. I'll show you the showroom. Patrick's here.
Back again.
Back again. Got the flooring done. We haven't even made it anywhere yet. Just got off the plane. And our counter is almost done. We got some painting to do, some countertop to do, and the signage is going up very, very soon, all the marketing material. Stay tuned.